Hello everyone, let us now solve some problems and finding the sum of the geometric series. Okay, so we have three items right here, and let's start with the first one. So before anything else, let's try to determine our R, our common ratio. So by dividing 1/3 by 1, and then 1/9 by 1/3. So let's start 1/3 divided by 1, then that would be 1/3, right? So how about this one? 1/9 divided by 1/9 divided by 1/3. So this is equal to 1/9 times 3 over 1. So that will be equal to 1/3 as well. Okay, so we can say that our common ratio R, is equal to 1/3. Now, since this is 1/3, this is within the range R is lesser than 1 and greater than -1, right? So therefore, we can find a finite sum for this. Okay, so let's use the formula. So if we use the formula, Sn is equal to A1 multiplied by 1/1 minus R. So this is the formula if our R value is within this range. Okay, so let's substitute. Sn is equal to 1 multiplied by 1/1 minus 1/3. So we will get, so in the denominator this is 2/3, right? So this is equal to 1/1 minus 1/3, that will be 2/3. So our Sn right here will be 3/2. Okay. So there you have it. This is the sum of this geometric series. Let's do the second example. So like what we did in the previous example, let's find our R first. So the R, -1/2 divided by 1, that would be -1/2. How about here? 1/4 divided by -1/2. This will be 1/4 multiplied by 2/1, -2/1, or -1/2. So our R is -1/2. As you can see here, the signs are alternating. So this is an indication that our R is negative. Okay, so let's find the sum using our formula. So Sn is equal to A1 times 1 minus R. Okay, so what is A1? Our A1 is again 1. So so minus -1/2, that will be plus 1/2. Okay, so this is equal to 1/3/2, right? So our Sn therefore is 2/3. Okay, so this is the sum of this particular geometric series. Now let's go to the third one. Okay, this is in summation notation. Okay, now this right here is the general term of our geometric sequence, right? Now if we recall the formula for that, that would be An is equal to A1 multiplied by R raised to n-1. So based on this format, we can see that our A1 is equal to 8 and our R is equal to -0.3. So we can then substitute this to our formula. Since also our our R here falls between the range R is lesser than 1, R is greater than -1. Okay, so we have a finite sum here. So Sn is equal to our A1 here is 8, and then we multiply that by 1 all over 1 minus negative 0.3, that would be plus 0.3, right? So there you have it. So 8 multiplied by 1 over 1.3. Okay, so if we evaluate that, you will get 6.154. Okay, so this is the summation of our geometric series. Okay, so this answer is actually rounded up. So you can use a calculator and you can see the, or you can convert it into fractional form. You can also do that. Okay, so thank you for watching this video, and I hope you learned something, and I will see you in the next video.